Another luxury ride from the Trading Post. 2019 Cadillac CTS. Silver in color, gray leather interior. I'll give you a slow pan around it. No major dings, scratches. It does have the rear spoiler, backup camera, backup sensors, dual exhaust, ultra low mileage, touch to lock, big pano roof on top. It has the technology package on the inside, collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, Bose stereo, navigation, guys, you name it, and this car has it, and we've got it right here at the Trading Post. Again, ultra low mileage, above average new, as you can see from the high definition video. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. We have a program for everyone. You can apply for this 19 Cadillac or any of our cars live online. Check out my new website, tradingpostcars.com. Put in your down payment information and we'll go to work for you. New as new can be. Cadillac CTS, 2.0 turbo car, fun car to drive. Again, above average new. There's your big pano roof on the top. Trading Post is family owned and operated, 45 years in a business by my family. Great people, awesome prices. Buy here with confidence. 828-464-0600, tradingpostcars.com. Call us before it's gone. It's the last CTS we have.